Yo guys, I just really quickly wanted to go through probably the best and most efficient and easiest to use screen recording software there is. So firstly, to get it, you have to go into web browser, which is, there you go, there's my channel by the way. If you want to subscribe, feel free to. Next step is you look up OBS Broadcaster, not software, broadcaster, and the first search that comes up is obsproject.com, which is what you want to click into. Then of course it shows you Windows, Mac and Linux. You choose whichever you're on. Following that, you go back into your app once it's all downloaded, and what you want to do is, this box is going to be empty and you want to click add. Once you click add, there's going to be scene 1 or scene 2. Next thing you want to do is sources is also going to be empty, so you want to right click, same as last time, and you want to select display capture. Now old tutorials that I watched on this don't say display capture, it says monitor capture, but with newer versions it is display capture. So you click add and then you go into display capture, and then this should be on your screen. If you want, you can this is personal to yourself, you can do video capture device, which is basically whatever webcam you're using. You can have your face in the corner of the screen, you know, about here or wherever you prefer. One thing that you will notice is this will not fit the screen. So what you want to do for that is very simple. You go into edit in the left top, you go into transform, and you just click on to fit the screen and it will fit perfectly. So yeah, that's really it. And if one thing is, if when you stop recording and your file is not showing, which is, for that you go into file and you click show recordings, and then it will show you it. It'll show here. So that looks like it won't work, or it probably will. See, it must say MP4 file. See here it says MP4 file. But for that to happen, which did not work for me at the start, which also wasn't shown in any tutorials, you have to go into output, I believe, yes, and in output, in recording, there's recording format. Make sure it's on MP4, otherwise it won't save as a video.